Okay, good morning. So today we're going to be installing all the stuff from big Offroad we got. And we've just cleaned the back of the, well Tracy actually just cleaned the back of the ute out and there was so much dirt. Oh my god. We need to get a seal kit for the ute somehow.
I felt like I took half the Simpson Desert out of the back of the car.
We should have shaved before and after.
We should.
It's still not clean.
It's not clean.
You really have to take everything out and hose it down, but we'll do that another day.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'll grab the inverter and I'll show you how I'm just going to do it for now, but I want to get a different draw system in the back so I can put the inverter in a different spot. And eventually I'll swap this inverter over in the caravan so we can run the air conditioning off this inverter because it's a bigger inverter. It's a 3000 plus one inverter and the other one's only 1.8 or something. So, but for now we'll put it in here and that way we can go out and we can separate the car from the caravan and have lunch and everything. So this is the pure sine wave inverter from Vic RV. It's a 3000 watt and it's got a surge protector and it's up to 6000 watts as well. So I just want to show that. So for now, I'm just going to be putting it at the back of the fridge there like that. I'll be at the fridge, the drawers. So I'll be wiring the inverter into the dual battery box.
Which is kick-ass, isn't it?
Which is kick-ass. And we've been all around Australia in that and we've had no problems with it. No. It's kept up, like it's 97% now. And the car's been sitting in the shed for a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
So, alright, so obviously they're two. I'm not going to bore you with just putting these two wires on top of the battery because I've got to undo the 4 Allen keys to do all that. So I'm not going to bore you with that or screwing that down. So that's where that's going to sit. Just don't shoot down. Just don't shoot. Oh, you're back. Okay, so that's done. Remember, red to red, minus to minus, or black to black, red to red. Okay.
It fits there snugly, actually, doesn't it?
It does. So we can access it through this window for now. As I said, eventually I want to get a bigger drawer and I want to have the battery at the back and the inverter sitting right next to it so it's just easy to accessible. But that all costs money. So, but for now, I think does it look all right there sitting there?
I think it looks good sitting there, actually.
So we'll just get an extension cord. We'll plug it into here and we'll just have it at the back of the car because we've got the remote control for this. To grab it out of the box. Okay, because the inverter actually comes with a remote control start, like over there, and your Ethernet cable to plug it into the inverter. So I will put this there. I'll mount that there somewhere for now. That way I can just turn it on and I can have the extension cord sitting here and I'll just know exactly what I'm doing for now. Or even just behind here or something. Whichever's got enough room.
Okay.
Okay, so I've just checked there's no room behind there or there for that because the cable's got to go in that way, so that's going to be sticking out a bit before I can actually run the cable. So we might just have to wait to use this to get our better draw system because see that there's not enough room behind it because that's hitting the back. And that's solid along there. That's just one solid panel, so that won't even go there. So when we get our new drawers, they'll just go in the back of the drawers.
Okay.
So we won't be able to use this until we get our new draw system.
Okay.
Okay. But it's good to have it there anyway. And I can't believe they give you fuses. Like, really? Oh. Don't lose a little wash up. Okay, also for now, I'm just going to have to take the battery box lid off, hook it to the top of the batteries until I get an Anderson plug on the end of these to plug it into the side of the battery box. I actually just thought of something else actually. When we bought the other inverter, we actually had to buy a separate fuse container for it. Remember, we had to buy that 30-40 amp fuse thing, remember?
No, I don't remember.
Because it didn't come with a fuse. So I just realised this having fuses, so must have a built-in fuse box in that, which is obviously fantastic.
What are you trying to do now?
Just trying to screw this on top of it. But you know it's like when you're trying to do something in front of a camera, it never works properly.
All right.
Okay, so it's all on working?
Yep. It says 13.2 volt.
Yep.
And then it says 242 volt.
Yep.
And 50 hertz.
Okay. So that's what I mean by I can't put the battery lid back on the top without drilling a hole in the side. I don't want to make it not dust proof, so I'll change these over to Anderson plugs so they can just plug in. They can just plug straight into there.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
So that'll make it a lot neater and tidier as well.
Yep.
So
Okay.
well, that's done. That's the installation for that done.
Cool. Now we got
the
light
we'll
bar.
do the light bar. So the hardest thing with this light bar, oh my god, look at that, that's a sexy light bar, eh? So the hardest thing with this light bar is going to be deciding what colours you want for the caps on the side. So you can either keep it orange, yellow, red, or black. What colour do you reckon?
well, yellow. Out of those, yellow's my favourite colour.
Yellow?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll try yellow. You can. I'm going to show you how to do it. All right. So you take your little Allen key, put it in the side of there. Hang on, my glasses on. And do that. Pull your colour cap off. And what colour did you say?
Yellow.
Yellow. And in fact, just putting your colour cap back in there like that. And re-screwing in inside like that. Now, how easy is that? So these days, you know, if you get driving lights, they're all coloured, so you can actually match that to the colour of your driving light, which is pretty good. That was like 5 seconds.
Yeah, but what does it do?
It does nothing. It just makes it look pretty.
Oh, okay.
It's not, it accessorises this to match your car.
Ah, okay.
So if you've got red accents on your spotlights, you could have red there or yellow or
Okay.
green, whatever colour you
I
want.
get you.
You get me?
Yeah. I thought it had something to do with the colour of the light, so.
I've seen that face you made. I make those faces, not you. So I'm mounting it on the roof rack. Okay, well, you're here. So that will just bolt up to the side mount. So I bought these so I can put them on my roof rack. Okay, they didn't supply these. These are Rhino roof rack ones. I think they're like $100. It just makes it easy. But you can just bolt it to the side there.
Okay.
And then that bolts to your roof rack, and that's done. And also remember, you've also got these rear mounting ones as well. So you've got the two options of mounting it at the back or the side. Well, I'm going for the side option. And also, so Vic Offroad supplied all that. They didn't supply the bracket or the wiring harness, and I've got a steady wiring harness. I bought that, just a single one, so I can actually run and hook it up. So tonight, hopefully, I want to get the drone above the car, and I want to have the low beam on, high beam on, and then I'll flick the bodies on this on just to show you how bright it is.
Yep.
So we'll see how we go. Big Offroad never asked me to do that, but I want to go one step further.
Okay, changed my mind with the colour. Not going to have yellow on it now.
You're a pain in the ass. That one. So we're going to go orange.
Going orange.
Okay, we'll go orange. But it's good though, because it gives you that option. Or if you're a plain person like me, just put the black ones on.
Well, why don't you put the black on then?
No, well, I think we'll leave the orange one on for now, because you know what? We can change them later. So when you have roof racks, and a lot of people just drill straight through their roof racks and with big bolts to mount their light bars and stuff, you actually buy these little things here like that. Okay, so that slides through the channel of your roof rack, and you just tighten it up by that little nut up the top. That way you don't have any big bolts hanging up the top or anything. It's just a much neater job. When we mount them all up and I tighten them all up, we'll climb on the roof and I'll just show you, because they're just amazing. Thanks to Vic Offroad, I've got my light bar up now, it's all wired up, and I'll take it out tonight and show you what it looks like at night time, but this is what it looks like in the day. Man, that is so bright. And I've just fitted the light bar, and it looks pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with it. It's a Lightfox. And have a look at this. So I'm going to do tonight, I'm going to take it out and just show you how bright it is, because it is really bright. Yeah, but on the Ford Rangers, you get these piggyback connections in a standard wiring harness. But for a Ford Ranger, you actually need a different piggyback harness, and it goes on the back of your headlight. So there's your headlight there, and just in the back of your headlight under there is a plug on the back of your headlight, and you use that because it's all waterproof and dustproof like that. Then you need those. And also, I've seen a lot of people when they install their light bar, they just use bolts and stuff. Well, have a look at this. This is, you buy a kit, and this is what it looks like. See how flush they are with these, the mounting kit? I even did it on my awning as well. I used to be one of those people that used to drill a hole and put a bolt through it, until I found out about these. They are fantastic. But yeah, anyway, I'll be back tonight. It'll be like that, and it'll be dark. So I'm out here just testing the light bar I got from Vic Offroad. It's a Lightfox. So I'm just pulled over here by the side of the road. I'll just turn the inside light off for a second. Oh, scary. Okay, so that's what you see normally. That's normal lights. And if I flick the high beam on, that's with the light bar and everything. So if I just turn the light bar off, that's my normal high beam without the light bar. Okay, so I'll turn that off again. Okay, so that's low beam, high beam, and this will be with the light bar. It is so bright. I can't even see. It's that bright. Anyway, I'm gonna, oh wow, look at me, I'm so lit up. I'm gonna put the drone up. I'm gonna go up a little bit further where there's no one, where there's no one around, and I'll put the drone up and we'll just test it out and see how we go. So I've got to say, I'm quite impressed with this light bar. So have a go at that. That is so bright. And then if you look up there, it goes right up there. Like, that is pretty impressive. That's pretty impressive for that light bar. Yeah, big shout out to Vic Offroad for supplying it. And yeah, I love it. It's so bright. I don't know how I lived without it, to be honest with you. But yeah, anyway, oh, look at, oh Jesus, that is so, I can't believe how bright that is. Anyway, hunters have just pulled up and said, oh, we're just shooting in the paddock over there, so do you need help? And I was like, oh, don't shoot this way. Okay, I'm very happy with that. Thanks, Vic Offroad, for your products. I love your light bar, and I'm sure I love all the other stuff. But yeah, this is a wrap up, love it. Thanks, mate, and thanks for watching, guys.